Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
And my name is Fafa. Ndudu means food in the Ewe language from Ghana. I'm Ghanaian and I'm Ewe. Yes, so Ndudu by Fafa is food by Fafa. But it's not any other food, it's that food. It's that food that you really want to emulate, you want to try, and it's so tasty and it's delicious, au naturel. You guys, I give you some cool speaker. I just say, I didn't even talk and I was like, let's see. You're like, oh, we want out. Welcome to Ndudu by Fafa. And with that exception, let me talk about what I'm going to be making today. It's Friday, bish bash bosh. We're not wasting our time. Yes. So if you watched my amazing Korean crispy fried chicken wings, I made this amazing sauce, chili sauce that went with it. And that chili sauce has been the base that I've used in marinating my chicken legs, which I'm going to grill. Now, what am I going to be mixing it with, or what am I going to serve it with? We'll see, won't we? Exactly. That's how I like it, to throw myself a challenge. Yeah.
It's Friday and it's just relaxing, so I've just drizzled my chicken legs that I've placed in my clay pot with some olive oil, not extra virgin olive oil, just your normal olive oil would do, or your preferred oil, that would work. Into that I'm adding some habanero chili that I've divided in two, and that's just going to give it that aromatic flavor. This is like a chili fest for Friday now. Today we relaxing cry. Now of course I'm going to do is squeeze the juice of one lemon. You can use lime, whichever one you prefer. Now I did mention my chili sauce that I have blended, and this is incredible. It's a must try. I reserved it in the fridge and it does keep for a while, so when I do make it I double up the recipe, and yeah, definitely comes a long way. And you know, days like this where you don't want to go through a lot of hassle, it comes in handy. So here I am, just added my chili sauce. Now the next step is to rub this beauty into the chicken, into every crevice, into every corner. Just a few infusion of kum. Majwe enya atadipo spices bonyo katana infuse neide kuklama. Ene na kwa keshi massage chicken raw. Or massage or nani spicy sake flavors say ba botemi and American oh ya massage akokono say flavors in a room. This is it. We're just rubbing it away, ensuring that every meat, every surface is covered in this beautiful marinade.
This is your first time for joining me and watching this channel. You're welcome and thank you very much for, watching. Yeah. Now, if you'd like to see more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe first and also click the notification button, which means that each time I upload a video, you're notified of it and you do not miss a thing.
Now I am going to marinate my chicken for a minimum of 2 hours. Now ideally if you do this in the morning before you go to work, then when you come back you take it out, you leave it out for about 10-15 minutes, bring it up to room temperature. You preheat your oven, and I'm going to put it on the grill to 170 degrees. Yes.
So I've marinated this for about 2 hours. And now that it's ready for me to grill it, I'm just going to add my salt to taste. That's it. And a little bit of black peppercorns. This is actually quite anyway. So now that I'm going to be putting this in the oven, so what I will do is I would leave a link in the description box so you can see how I made that marinade. It's so easy and it's something that you can freeze and as and when you can use it in your recipes. It's absolutely incredible, and there are various marinades that I've made as well that can definitely inspire you. Now with this one, it's just going to be a little bit on the spicy side because it's Friday and I need that sort of spiciness as well. You see. That just looks good. Salt's definitely gone in. And I've actually preheated the grill to 170 degrees. See, so easy. So then my hands are free. And I'm just going to cook this amazingly for about 30 minutes. Interestingly enough, the first 10 minutes I'm going to cover it. And then when I open that, I'm going to turn around I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes on one side, then I'll turn it the other way and cook it for another 10 minutes. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Agbala mi duga no abanka flavors have got a dum inke lo e me no won pe o ka mi won chuni e be won pe alomi male bon chuni be bo won rodo he shasa no ye no ye lo jugba ona na me ka no ye djuma nyina na wudi so da wudi hi as what tobo won mu we twi sane no Ababa na ba ko e no any two did no edidi e who did na dey do flavors like anamwa the same.
After grilling for 10 minutes with the lid on, I'm going to take the lid off and turn my chicken. So now I'm going to cook one side for 10 minutes and then come back and cook the other side for 10 minutes. However, I will increase the grill to 200 degrees. Yes. Now, Friday has a tendency of making one feel tired. Even napkin cry where you hold credit, napkin where you won't fall, Charlie. You don't say you need food. You need Ndudu by Fafa. You know the see. So after 20 minutes, you end up with this beauty. Look how nice and moist this is. Muna meka no. I am Ndudu da kwenye yolo. Ndudu by Fafa nye ya. Ndudu oglon na mabade nye ya. Polara. Ala miruga. Minu modechi fuga gba. Alomada lakba. That is it. That's all.
When I think about what to serve this with, I don't know yet. But I'm sure I might create something so wacky and creative again. But then again, you never know.
That's the beauty about cooking. Now I'm going to create something shabu shabu. So I have added some salt to my bowl. Into that, I'm adding some hot boiling water. Now, you might not believe in the measurements and list of ingredients on my blog ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com. And guess what? I'm just adding some gari. So I'm making some Gari Piñon, Gari EBA, but some nice and soft and one that would melt in your mouth. But you think I'm just leaving it like that? They know the channel where you do. This channel. You go twist and 10 things give you, they say what? Anyway, so if you've watched my video about how to make the best green chili sauce, yes, I'm just scooping 2 tablespoonfuls of that beauty into my Gari Piñon, or may I say Gari EBA. So I'm giving it that sort of spring look now sitting. Flavors, the correct flavors are. When come ko Gari Piñon, ko atadi, ko water, the green, ko kweda nula kweda, anwa vivilo, Ndudu ha ala shabu lo, aba mahia ba na woso na kpafo akpa afinadu. Ni no na easy, come on. Gari no ke hot water woman. Ni bia na work na kan Shito green one ko work woman. One mix wa she. And maybe I can mint with me. So I've just added some mint for, that refreshing flavor. Yes, because that will break that spiciness as well. It's just nice. This is like, what do you mean? I told I was going to do something wacky, but it's equally simple. Yes, absolutely. This is not any other food. This is Ndudu by Fafa. Simple, delicious, tasty, nutritious now sitting. Now let me do my shenanigans as I always do. I hope that you guys actually get to see this video today being Friday, rather than it delaying, because sometimes when you're uploading the video it does take a while, but I hope you get to watch it today. We'll see. Now what's your excuse not to treat yourself like the king and the queen that you are today? Of all days. We thank God for bringing us this far. The week is coming to an end. Yes, amen. Now we go chop belly full. We go chop good food now. We work hard now. Aloma dalakba. Mi woda. Da unyaba mi aonka mi adunu ha. Mi dri. Mi va mi dunu se. Ndudu abade. Mi va mi dunu. Now look at this. Don't tell me you're not inspired to try the recipe. I will naturally leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat as Ndudu by Fafa. Do follow me there and do say hi as well. Don't be a stranger, obviously. And yes, now until next time, take care of you. Be nice, be beautiful. And my notification gang, did you think I forgot about you? My love for you is deep. Don't change. I love you for you. Amazing, amazing people. Much love.